Hendricks County, southeastern Park County, Putnam County, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles east of Rockville, or 21 miles south of Crawfordsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greencastle, Roachvale, Bainbridge, Fillmore, Coatesville, North Salem, Russellville, Carpentersville, Cecil Hardin Lake, Groveland, Bell Union, and Judson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks, Park, and Putnam. And now we'll look at your forecast.